guys, welcome to another review. So today we're going to review eToro. It's a well-known broker, a social trading established in 2007. eToro serves UK clients through an entity regulated by the FCA and the Australian through an Australian Securities and Investment Commission. All other customers are served by a Cypriot entity that is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commissions. So, as you may know, guys, eToro is not listed on any stock exchange, does not disclose its annual report on its site, and does not have a bank parent. But eToro is considered safe because its UK and Australian arms are regulated by top-tier financial authorities, and it's a well-known Finnish startup. Also, eToro offers commission-free stock trading. Account opening is fast and seamless. It has innovative features like social trading, which lets you copy the strategies of other traders. On the negative side, eToro's forex fees are high and the withdrawal can be slow with a $5 fee charged. Also, it only offers USD as base currency. eToro has done well merging self-directed trading and copy trading under a unified trading experience. It's a winning combination. And there is a copy portfolios. One innovative tool is copy portfolios, and it does help bridge the gap for investors who want to use eToro on a passive basis, as they can create a portfolio based entirely on one or more copy portfolios. eToro offers Forex and CFD traders a wide variety of investment options, alongside 47 currency pairs for spot trading. So eToro also provides 1,933 CFDs, including on cryptocurrencies. When it comes to trading cryptocurrencies, eToro is our top pick for 2020. So trading in the actual non-CFD underlying cryptocurrencies is available through the firm's eToro X offering, regulated by the Gibraltar FSC, and registered in the US with FinCEN as a money service business, MSB. So, in the commissions and fees, eToro is a market maker broker and lists a typical minimum fixed spread and 3 pips on the Euro USD, which is on the high end of the range when comparing brokers with fixed and floating spreads, making it a more expensive platform. When comparing fees alone, retail traders don't choose eToro for its spread, but rather for its platform and social trading capabilities tools, as its pricing is otherwise expensive. There is a VIP account. eToro offers a VIP club membership with 5 tiers ranging from gold to diamond for traders who maintain balances between $5,000 to $215,000, depending on the level. Benefits vary from a dedicated account manager to discounted withdrawal and deposit fees, access to VIP signals, and exclusive assets, among other VIP style account benefits. There is the account tiers. eToro's popular investor program has 4 levels, from caddy to elite. And back to copy trading. As you may know, all traders on eToro trade manually. Fully automated trading systems are not permitted, which means when you copy another trader, you can be sure they are placing each trade manually. This is useful to know, as many other social trading platforms that aggregate the performance of traders usually permit both discretionary manual trades as well as automated strategies, while eToro's network consists solely on manual trading. The bottom line, guys, is that eToro is regulated, licensed, and it's safe broker to trade forex and CFDs with. eToro is considered low risk, with an overall trust score of 91 to 99. eToro is not publicly traded and does not operate a bank. So eToro UK Ltd, a financial service company, is authorized and regulated by the FCA under the license FRN 583263. eToro or one of its subsidiaries is also authorized by the ASIC and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Overall, eToro's research offering has a good foundation but can be improved. Beyond the standard economic calendar, which is only available on the website, and the news headline, also found only on the broker's site, there are few research options on eToro in the traditional sense of technical and fundamental analysis. Social trading. eToro does, however, incorporate many social elements into its available research tools when it comes to the market sentiment, for example, rather than show sentiment based on all users. Only the trades of top traders are used to calculate sentiment data, taking it a step above the usual sentiment tools brokers provide. In terms of platform, eToro has done a great job with its experience. Testing the mobile app on Android, eToro maintains the look and the feel of the web version, which is great. Functionalities such as sensing watch list help to unify the platform experience across devices further. Charting, like the rest of the mobile app, the charts were responsive and closely matched the web platform, even though just 5 indicators are present compared to 67 on the web. Drawing tools were missing from the app entirely and would be a welcome enhancement. Otherwise, the charts in the mobile app are nicely integrated and function well despite the lack of the drawing tool. For my final thoughts about eToro, eToro can be great for retail traders who want to crowdsource investment ideas using the power of copy trading, or for highly experienced traders who want to be rewarded for sharing their ideas with other traders, and for less experienced traders requiring hand holding may find the user-friendly platform an added benefit. That's it. Coming to the end of this video. I hope you like it, and let me know, guys, if you tried this broker. Comment below in the comment section, and see you on another video. Thanks for watching.